Create and launch live classes with Microsoft Teams integration. Click Create Course to start your new course. Enter your course title in the title field. Click Create Course to save your course. Click Add to open the options menu. Click Add Chapter to create a Teams live chapter. Type the chapter name into the name field. Click Create Chapter to save this new chapter. Click Schedule Teams class. Click Connect Teams to link your Microsoft Teams account. Add your login credentials and click the Sign In button to continue. Click Accept to grant permissions and continue. Enter a title for the Teams class session. Enter the class start date and time. Click Apply to confirm the chosen date and time. Set the session duration in minutes. If required, check Send Invites to email calendar invitations. Uncheck Show Recorded Video if you want recordings hidden. Click Submit to save and confirm meeting settings. Click Start Class to begin the Teams live session. Learn more about our features and benefits on our website, testpress.tech.